I'm John Klesnick, and this is Lava for HWE. Nothing's more powerful than lava. And this is brought to you by Bonnet Pro. This product I'm very proud of. Lava Rinse was one of my initial two ideas for this line with Blue Lava. And this is a Nanomax based detergent rinse, although it's not really a detergent, but that's the classification we'll put it in. But this is a whole different type of ingredient formula base, so it's not technically a detergent, but it is slightly on the alkaline scale. So this Nanomax based micro emulsion, what this will do for you is you're going to be between a ½ ounce and 2 ounces per gallon as a rinse in a portable. And in a stock solution, you're going to be as little as 4 ounces to 16 ounces for the guys running truck mounts. This is a $33 a gallon product at the time of filming, so our dilution per dollar ratio is very, very economical. Now, one of the biggest problems that extraction has had over decades is leaving a negative film that causes rapid resoiling. And the properties of Nanomax not only cut hydrocarbons extremely well, it's a 0 health rating, so it's really, really safe to use. It's over 60% bio-based. Actually, this is, I'm sorry, that's liquid lava, 60% bio-based. This is about 98% bio-based. Between the Nanomax's ability to remove greases and soils and its ability to not leave a negative residue, it makes this a really incredible technology that our industry hasn't seen before. So that combined with the AFT, the active film technology, which has natural anti-soiling properties, which helps block greasy binders and biofilms from attaching to the face fiber of your upholsteries and carpets, that also helps future cleanings to be easier, and it helps your fibers to stay cleaner longer. So when you team the two up, it's a whole new category, it's a whole new level and achievement for a rinse for the hot water extraction industry. So we look forward to presenting this to you. If you have any questions, come to bonnetpro.com. There's more information about the product there. Email me at info@bonnetpro.com or call me at 877-477-1615. Once you use my products, you'll understand why so many people switch to Bonnet Pro. Have a great day.